Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like cancel this 5 by using 5. Okay, so is equal to 20 divided by 1. So now 20 divided by 1 is equal to 20. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division and here is multiplication, both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, so is equal to 20. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 20 as it is same, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, F means flip this fraction 1 by 5 is equal to 5 by 1 multiply 5. Okay, now here is multiplication and here is multiplication, so both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 20 multiply 5 is equal to 100. Okay, multiply 5. Now 100 multiply 5 is equal to 500. So the correct answer is 500. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.